He lost by 32,000.
Yeah.
So they bashli. ती एक पाटी लोका बोले लोक म्हाका मेळ्ळ्यो तरी कोट्टले हांवें कितें करपाचें.
But you are disappointed right now. Right now you are disappointed.
I'm disappointed, not hurt, because I had my long tenure.
Yeah.
These people have not won once. I have won 10 times.
Yeah.
People have given me 10 times victory. So I'm kind of.
Okay. तू म्हणटशें तू आसल्यार चड जिखपाचें अशें चड आशिल्लें. या.
तूं पर्यंत म्हाका देवाको बरी सावूत माग.
एक म्हणजे पार्टीन डिसिजन घेतल्याक नॉर्थाक रमाकांत क्लब आणि साऊथाक कॅप्टन विराट तिकेट दिवपाची. ह्या निर्णयाचे आमी स्वागत करतात आणि दोगांकूय बेस्ट विशीस दिता. सद्याक गोंयांक सगळें जें वातावरण आसा तें बीजेपीचे विरुद्ध आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा ह्या निर्णयान गोंयांक आमी दोनूय सिटां जिखतले. सगळ्यांनी एक जावन काम करपाची गरज आसा. पक्षा कडेन तिकेट म्हणटा ती एकूच आसता आनी पक्षाक निर्णय घेता आसतना दे हॅव टू कन्सिडर ऑल द फॅक्टर्स इन्क्लुडींग सोशल इंजिनियरींग जेका म्हणटात अँड वेरियस अदर फॅक्टर्स आर टू बी टेकन इनटू कन्सिडरेशन. So definitely party might have taken all factors into consideration while deciding both the candidatures. Delay, of course, there may be various reasons, but as compared to 2019 parliamentary elections where the tickets were given just 22 days before. Now today
1 month.
We are just 1 month for election. So still better, but we are late as compared to the BJP candidature, because BJP's candidate is moving both the constituencies. I'm sure with our party cadre who is working at the ground level, at the booth level, block level, we'll definitely cover up, and all of us will jointly work for both the candidates.